Our guest of honor mentioned about Indian Administrative Service. IAS, yesterday in fact, we were in Kanchipuram. Only early morning today we came because of this program. We had a commitment to be with you, so we came back. So we were in a program of rural development near about 2 hours from Chennai in Kanchipuram. So I was just sharing that a lot of farmers will be there. I beg to differ from UK professors because in India our life is different. If you are a civil servant, I don't believe we have 5-day or 10 to 5 offices actually. Because if you love what you do, then you don't find the time constraints. Do you agree with that? Yes or not? If it is yes, then I will give, because professor has given a lot of anecdotes and he has also inspired me to share one. Albert Einstein perhaps said, and you will love it perhaps, if you are sitting on a hot stove for a minute, you will feel it's an hour. You know the second one? I hope the girls won't mind. If you are sitting with a beautiful girl for an hour, you will feel it's a minute. So that means do what you love. That is the most important thing. If you do what you love, then time won't be a constraint. If I love my work, then I don't find it's a Saturday or Sunday, and I don't find the work. There is nothing called office hours, etc. Coming back to the civil service, just my interpretation of what we are, the public service or public servant, because many of us in the public service, we have forgotten the meaning of public servant. Public servant, by definition, you know that we are servants of public, but many in the service have almost started thinking that public are their servants. I hope you understand what you are meaning. Public service has been reduced to that, but if India has to grow, India has to transform, India has to be built, entire civil service also has to be transformed. That's my feeling, that everybody has to, the kind of importance, the kind of amenities, the kind of perks, the kind of facilities we get, enormous facilities are given. For what? Because we will be doing service to the people. If we forget that, then there is no value to be in the civil service. I think that's my profound feeling.